Hello everyone. We met in the season one of the wireless communication course on the Bachelor of Electrical Engineering Nusa Putra University. Uh, on this season that I will little bit give the brief introduction about the history and evolution of wireless communication system. This course will be conducted in the 14th meeting for this fifth semester of the academic years 2024-2025. So this class will be attended by the international student of the electrical engineering 2022 class. Okay, we're beginning about the history of the wireless communication. As you see in the pictures, that the first communication that human try to build is using the smoke signal. The smoke signal can be used to communicate between the distance of the human. And then as you see, there's some code. Mostly the code is generated in the Morse code. If you see in the picture, there is some house also who interferes the communication. It can be application in nowadays situation. So after that communication, so we go to the era in 1830. There is a telegraph era. This telegraph era also can send the information from a distance place using the Morse code. And then after that, improved to the radio communication in 1895. The Giulio Marconi who successfully create this radio signal. This radio signal basically using a frequency parameter for sending the information. So from this radio signal, it's improved again in 90 era, 1973 is this the earliest mobile phone that we know that the first mobile phone is funded in 1973 by Martin Cooper, one of the Motorola Foundation. And then this is the step forward in wireless communication. So from this slide, we can get some information that how the wireless communication can grow until now. In this era that we have the mobile communication. So we will a little bit brief about the mobile communication that grows nowadays. So from development telegraph to 5G era, as you see in the picture also, there is some evolution of the mobile phones from the beginning Motorola into the nowadays smart mobile phone with the different shape and then different function. So as you know that I mentioned before that in 1973, Martin Cooper founded the Motorola, the first mobile phone. We call it as the first generation, is 1G, or we call this the analog era. This first generation wireless communication system is using the analog signal and only supported the basic voice service. So move to the second generation, or it's called 2G, is this transition from the analog into digital. Can be happen in nearly to 1990s. So after the 2G era, using the digital, move to the 3G. This is the era that the mobile internet introduced from this technology. So the wireless communication can be enabling for the email, browse the web, and another data application. And then from 3G move again to the fourth generation, or we call it LTE. This is the data and multimedia revolution. This more to the video streaming and then video conferencing is can be very fast because the increase in the network capacity and then also the speed of the data transmission. As we know, in nowadays, the fifth generation or 5G, the global connectivity era, already implemented. This is also the latest technology that we know. There's many aspects of human life that can be using from this wireless communication, and also another application like smart cities or autonomous vehicle. As we see, if we analog into the picture from 1980s, when the first generation 1G is only analog voice, yeah, and then it can be like a human or like a baby who still try to walking. In the second generation, the human can be walking. This is a voice call and then text messaging. And the speed is around 64 kilobyte per second. And the 3G, this is the fundamental about the video calling. The mobile broadband speed is about 2000 kilobyte per second. And then in the 4G, 4G like the fastest mobile broadband at the speed until 100,000 kilobyte per second. This is can be a video conference with many people, not only one. And then nowadays is 5G. 5G is more wider, speed is until 1 gigabytes per second. So this is the application of the 5G telecommunication that basically wireless. So this improve into the 5G telecommunication. So this is like the last briefing that I want to give you some overview about the factor driving the wireless communication evolution. As you know that with the 5G technology, with the speed and then connectivity, many application like e-commerce and cloud service also that very fast growing. There is some technology also that about MIMO antenna and beamforming. This is very important also, how to get the good speed with low noise. And then as the issue in the newer wireless communication technology also focus on the energy efficiency, because this is energy consumption of the data is very important. And then the wider device connectivity, as you know, there is the advance of Internet of Things. The device can be connectivity require network and handle many devices simultaneously. So this 5G technology, as you know, like can be deal with many IoT application, and also improving the social welfare. This is like better connectivity, also support the social service like distant learning or telemedicine, and also online government services, which can improve the quality of the life and social welfare. And then this is still related the last with the government, private, and initiative. Support the government and private sector in policies, investment, and innovation. So with this wireless communication developing now, there is many benefit that we can get. This is only the briefing from this slide. So in the lecture notes, you can learn more details about the material in this first section. Then basically like the we should be following this technology nowadays, that some another technology like 6G also already researched and then will be implemented in the couple years. Okay, this is the my closing slide for this session. So I use the reference from the books Goldsmith Wireless Communication from the Cambridge. This is the fundamental reference. And then also from the TS Rappaport Wireless Communication Principle and Practice. Same from the Cambridge University that you can also search. So not everything better using the wireless. Sometimes there's some stuff also better using wires, as you see in the picture. Okay, thank you for this session. We will be meet in another section. Thank you very much.